How to clean suede shoes. Let's go. So as you can tell, the back of these shoes on the suede here is pretty dirty, same with the front there. They need a very good clean, so I'm going to take you guys through it and we're going to clean them together. Let's do it. This is with a dry razor and just rubbing it on the suede there, and then afterwards you just brush it off and you see how it comes out, and you just continue to do that over multiple times until the stains or marks have come out. And then for the bottom of the shoe, just on the rubber sole, I'm going to be using gumption, and this basically cleans anything, so it's very useful for shoes and just cleaning weaves and other products that are normally white and stained. This is just remarkable for getting stains out of white things. So let's do it. As you can see, the suede has kind of come out a little bit better on the back here, although you can see a few little marks, as well as the front there. It's come out a lot brighter, but there's one little mark on the front there that still needs to come out, and then I still have to work on the tip of the toe there as well, but it already is looking a lot better. Now I also need to take out the shoelaces to get up and through that entire bit there as well. So I'm going to do all of this now, and then I will take you guys through the gumption process of here as well, and then I'll show you guys the final result. Okay, these shoes are finally cleaned up and ready to be listed on eBay. Here's the listing for eBay. This is how they turned out after using the dry eraser and just a brush and brushing the suede, and this is how they turned out. They turned out alright, not too bad. The gumption did help a lot on the rubber sole on the bottom here. Turned out very well and nice and clean, looking almost like new again. If you guys want to know what I used, this is what I used right here. The Timberland dry cleaning kit, and it includes an eraser and a brush, and that's it. And that's all you need to clean suede shoes. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like, and if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, peace.
Never let them tell you you can't do it. Hard times, but you're gonna get through it. I promise you, cause I've been there. Got up and I put my mind to it. They told me no, but I told them yes. And I used to feel all alone, so depressed, but I fought back, now I smile again. If I ever fail, I'ma just try again.